Can your organization afford to ignore the power of data? Let's ponder upon this crucial question for a moment. In the modern business world, data is the new gold. It's the fundamental element that drives decision-making, fuels competitive advantage, and enhances business efficiency. But what makes data so indispensable, you may ask? Well, data provides insights, and these insights are the key to unlocking a world of opportunities. They help businesses understand their customers better, identify market trends, and even forecast future scenarios. With data at their disposal, organizations can make informed decisions that are not just based on gut feelings or hunches, but concrete evidence. This is the concept of data-driven decision-making. However, having access to data is just one part of the equation. The real magic happens when an organization cultivates a data culture. Now, what exactly is a data culture? It's an environment where every decision, every strategy, and every goal is backed by data. It's a culture where data isn't just a tool, but a mindset. Everyone from the CEO to the entry-level employee understands the value of data and uses it to drive their actions. Creating a data culture is not just about investing in the latest technology or software. It's about changing the way people think and operate. It's about fostering a culture of curiosity, where questions are encouraged and answers are sought in data. It's about breaking down silos and encouraging collaboration, because when it comes to data, the whole is indeed greater than the sum of its parts. Aligning a data culture with an organization's goals and objectives is not an easy task, but it's a worthwhile endeavor. A data culture can help organizations stay agile, adapt to changes, and remain competitive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. So let's circle back to our initial question. Can your organization afford to ignore the power of data? The answer, quite simply, is no. Without a data-driven culture, organizations risk falling behind in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Consider the case of Amazon, a company that has made data an integral part of its operations. Amazon, the retail giant we all know, isn't just about selling products. It's a data powerhouse, using data in unique ways to drive customer personalization, inventory management, and operational efficiency. Let's delve into customer personalization first. Every time you browse or buy something on Amazon, it's learning about you. It's collecting data on your preferences, your behaviors, and your purchasing habits. This data is then used to create a personalized shopping experience. You see recommendations that are tailored to your tastes, nudging you towards products you're likely to buy. And it's not just guesswork. It's a result of complex data analysis, powered by machine learning algorithms. Now, let's talk about inventory management. Amazon's warehouses, known as fulfillment centers, are sprawling spaces filled with a vast array of products. How does Amazon know what to stock and where? You guessed it, data. Amazon uses predictive analytics to anticipate demand, determining what products are likely to be popular in different regions and at different times. This data-driven approach ensures products are always ready to be shipped, improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. And then there's operational efficiency. Amazon is a master at streamlining operations using data. From optimizing delivery routes to reducing energy consumption in their data centers, Amazon leaves no stone unturned in its quest for efficiency. And it's data that guides these decisions, providing insights that lead to actionable improvements. In all these areas, it's clear that Amazon's data culture plays a vital role. The company's commitment to leveraging data permeates every level of the organization, driving innovation and fueling its success. It's a shining example of what can be achieved when a company truly embraces a data-driven approach. Amazon's success underscores the power of a strong data culture. So as we move forward, let's keep Amazon in mind, an emblem of how a data culture can transform an organization and propel it towards unprecedented success. Netflix too has reaped the benefits of a data-driven culture. This streaming giant has harnessed the power of data to shape its content creation, customer retention, and overall business growth. Let's start with content creation. Netflix doesn't just make shows and movies. It makes shows and movies people want to watch. How do they do that? By using data. Each time a subscriber watches a show, Netflix collects data on viewing habits, ratings, and even pause points. This data is then analyzed and used to predict what content will be popular among viewers. For instance, the decision to produce the hit series Stranger Things was based on data showing a growing interest in supernatural and 80s-themed content. Now, let's move on to customer retention. Netflix uses data to understand what keeps subscribers coming back for more. For example, they found that the first 2 days after a subscriber signs up are crucial for determining whether they'll stick around. So they use data to personalize the new members' experience, suggesting content that matches their preferences from the get-go. When it comes to business growth, Netflix's data-driven approach is equally impactful. Consider the company's international expansion. Rather than blindly entering new markets, Netflix used viewing data from non-subscriber regions to understand local tastes and preferences. This informed their decision on which countries to expand to and which content to promote, driving significant business growth. Netflix's data culture also extends to its workforce. Employees are encouraged to make data-driven decisions, fostering a culture of curiosity, innovation, and learning. Netflix's commitment to data isn't just a strategy, it's a core part of their identity. In summary, Netflix's global success can largely be attributed to its effective use of data. From content creation to customer retention and business growth, data has been at the heart of their strategy. Netflix's approach to data demonstrates the potential of a data-driven culture to transform an organization and its offerings. Netflix is a prime example of how data culture can drive innovation and growth. So, how can your organization cultivate a data culture? This question is more crucial than ever as the digital age demands organizations to be data-driven. The journey towards a data culture is a strategic one, and here are some key strategies to consider. First, top-down leadership is crucial. The initiative must start with the leaders who set the tone and direction for the rest of the organization. Leaders should emphasize the importance of data in decision-making, fostering an environment where data is valued and utilized. They should champion data-driven projects, encouraging team members to delve into data and extract valuable insights. Next, data literacy is equally important. This doesn't mean everyone should become a data scientist, but rather everyone should understand the basics of data. They should be able to interpret data, ask intelligent questions about it, and discern good data from bad. This can be achieved through regular training sessions and workshops, creating a workforce that is comfortable with data. Data transparency is another vital strategy. Data should not be hoarded, but shared across the organization. This fosters a sense of ownership and accountability, as everyone has access to the same information. It encourages collaboration and breaks down the silos that often hinder effective data usage. Lastly, aligning data culture with organizational goals and objectives is crucial. This ensures that data initiatives are not just technical exercises, but are tied to the broader business strategy. It focuses efforts on data that matters, leading to more meaningful insights and outcomes. Remember, cultivating a data culture isn't a one-off project, it's a continuous journey. It requires regular reflection and adjustment, ensuring that the data culture remains relevant and effective. It may not be easy, but the potential rewards are significant. A robust data culture can lead to better decision-making, increased efficiency, and ultimately, a competitive edge. Building a data culture requires commitment, but the rewards can be substantial. So, let's start cultivating a data culture today. Resistance to change is a common hurdle in the path to a data culture. We've all heard it before, haven't we? The apprehensions, the doubts, the concerns, they can all add up to a formidable barrier. But fear not. For every challenge in the path to a data culture, there lies a solution waiting to be discovered. One of the most common challenges is resistance to change. This resistance can stem from a variety of reasons, be it fear of the unknown, lack of understanding, or simply a comfort in old ways. The first step to overcoming this resistance is recognizing its existence and understanding its root cause. Once we know why the resistance is there, we can begin to address it. Imagine this resistance as a wall. Now, you can't bring down a wall with a single swing of a hammer, can you? It's a process. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Similarly, overcoming resistance to change is a gradual process that requires ongoing efforts. Another challenge that organizations often face is a lack of data literacy. Employees may struggle to understand and interpret data, leading to a reluctance to embrace a data culture. To overcome this, organizations can invest in data literacy training programs. These programs can help employees to understand the importance of data, how to interpret it, and how to use it to make informed decisions. Data privacy concerns are another common hurdle. With the increasing amount of data being collected and used, concerns about data privacy are valid and should be taken seriously. Organizations can address these concerns by implementing robust data privacy policies and ensuring that employees understand these policies. Remember, change is never easy, but it is necessary for growth and progress. Just like a seed has to break its shell to grow into a plant, organizations have to break through resistance to change to cultivate a data culture. So don't be discouraged by the hurdles you encounter. Embrace them, tackle them head-on, and move forward. Because at the end of the day, overcoming resistance to change is crucial for fostering a data culture. The future is data-driven. This statement is more than just a prediction, it's an undeniable reality. As we move deeper into the 21st century, the importance of data culture within organizations is only set to grow. Technological advancements and increasing data volumes are rapidly transforming the business landscape. In this era of digital transformation, data culture is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Imagine a world where every decision, every strategy, every action is backed by data. A world where gut feelings and hunches are replaced by insights and predictions derived from data. This is the world we're heading towards. A world where data culture is the norm, not the exception. And it's not just about having access to data. It's about leveraging it effectively to make smarter, more informed decisions. Now let's take a moment to consider the potential of data culture for future business success. The possibilities are truly endless. With a strong data culture, businesses can gain a competitive edge, identify new opportunities, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. They can anticipate market trends, make strategic decisions, and respond to changes more efficiently. In essence, data culture can be a game changer, a catalyst for growth and success in the digital age. But here's the catch. Cultivating a data culture is not a one-time effort. It's an ongoing journey that requires commitment, patience, and perseverance. It involves continuously learning, adapting, and evolving in response to the changing data landscape. It's about fostering a mindset where data is valued, trusted, and utilized to its full potential. Resistance to change is inevitable, but it's not insurmountable. With the right strategies and approach, organizations can overcome this resistance and build a strong, sustainable data culture. They can empower their employees, instill a sense of curiosity, and encourage data literacy. They can create an environment where data is not just used but embraced, where it's not just a tool but a driving force. Adopting a data culture today can set the stage for future success. So, let's embrace the future, a future that is data-driven. A future where data culture is not just a trend, but a way of life. Let's step into this new era with confidence, armed with the power of data. In conclusion, a data culture is no longer optional, it's a necessity. We've journeyed through the importance of data culture in organizations, understanding its pivotal role in decision-making and strategic planning. We saw firsthand how giants like Amazon and Netflix have harnessed the power of data to drive their success, becoming paragons of data-driven culture. We also delved into strategies for cultivating a data culture, from fostering data literacy to promoting transparency and accountability. We recognized that resistance to change is a common obstacle, but with the right approach, it can be overcome. By aligning the data culture with organizational goals and objectives, we can pave the way for a future where data is at the heart of every decision. So as we wrap up, remember that this isn't just about data, it's about fostering a culture that values and leverages data. In the world of business, data is king. Embrace a data culture and your organization can reign supreme.